Alexa, repeat that, please.
The Atlantic Ocean is located approximately 41,105,000 square miles away from Manchester Township. This distance can vary depending on the specific location in the township and the chosen reference point for the ocean.
Alexa, how long would it take me to drive 41 million miles?
From Calculat.io. Based on the calculation, it takes approximately 2 years and 3 months to drive 1 million miles at an average speed of 50 miles per hour.
Unbelievable. I didn't realize it was 41 million miles from the ocean. Alexa, do you realize that the ocean is about 13 miles from where I am?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, where is the nearest beach from my location?
The nearest beach is Sarko, 2.4 miles away.
Unbelievable. There you have it. Alexa in 2025.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
No kidding. Thanks for stopping by.